Hey everyone, welcome back to the Half Soybean channel. My name is Sharon and today I'm going to be getting a lip tattoo. You probably didn't know this about me, but without any lip product I basically have no lip color, which I find to be a bit of an inconvenience in my life, and I think just getting this done once will just make everything so much low maintenance for the foreseeable future. So that's the main reason why I'm getting it. But before I head, I should show you what my before looks like. So I'm gonna go take my makeup off. So this is what my face looks like without any makeup on. I've just got some moisturizer on my face and some Vaseline on my lips. And as you can see, the color of my skin and my lips are quite close in color, although you could say my lips are marginally more pinkish. I feel like they blend in quite a bit. Getting the lip tint tattoo will just make a world of a difference in terms of convenience, where I feel like I don't have to always reapply lip product throughout the day, especially when I'm out and busy. So before I actually go and get my lip tint tattoo, I want to try out a couple of different shades and I want to mock it up digitally to see which lip color suits my natural skin tone the best. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up the Photoshop Express app and take a selfie. Not on that filter, but... Okay, there we go. And take it into the face retouch feature because they have a makeup option where I can play around with lip colors. I don't know if I want a glam or like bold look. I definitely think natural. Let's look. Oh, you can adjust the border of your lips as well quite easily, which is nice on this feature. I'm gonna try the romantic. Okay, so these ones are really red, so I don't think I'll go with this one. Definitely something in the natural. Oh, I like this shade. Okay, I think I'm gonna start off with this shade and go from there. I'm just gonna save it and go back to the edit feature where I can adjust the color of my lips. I generally like wearing oranges and pinks, but I'm not sure which one I can settle for as like a lip tint tattoo. So it'll be on my lips for a while. So I need to choose something that I'm happy with, I think. This way I feel like is more orange and this way is more pink. As much as I like orange, I feel like maybe somewhere in the middle is good for me. It matches my skin tone, I think. And playing with the saturation a bit. So that's definitely more orange. It's quite natural. So I wanted to look natural, like a no makeup look, I guess. So I don't necessarily want it to look like I'm permanently wearing lipstick per se. I just want a little boost of color in my lips that I don't naturally have. So I think this like kind of shade that's halfway between orange and pink suits me the best, but it's totally based on my personal opinion. But I'm just gonna save this so I can show it to my tattoo artist when I get to her studio. Okay, so my tattoo artist was a bit camera shy, so she won't be in the video, but I'll explain everything that happened. First, she had a look at my natural lips and we talked about what color would suit me best. Of course, I showed her the mock-up color where it's an orangey pink, and she agreed that I needed orange as a base as I am warm skin toned. She showed me all the pigments that she would mix together and told me we would start off with the orange base layer to offset the ashiness in my lips and then go over with the custom pink color. It honestly felt like I was at the dentist, from the gloves to the numbing. She put some cotton pads in my mouth to prevent the numbing from going further into my mouth, and she told me that my lips would stay numb for about 4 hours after getting the tattoo. We left the numbing on for about 15 minutes, so there was plenty of time for it to soak in. And for reference, my artist was telling me lip tattoos do hurt a lot more than eyebrow microblading, as it's a more sensitive area. She began mixing the pink pigments together and also put in a drop of red. And she began with my upper lip. I was told I needed the bright orange layer as my lips have a bit of a purplish tinge, especially towards the edges. And after that, she went over with the pink pigments. She also topped me up with another layer of numbing liquid, which was very nice of her. Then we went onto my bottom lip and repeated the same steps as the top lip. She did a final check of the tattoo and said I was all done, and I couldn't really feel anything, but I could tell my lips were really swollen and a bit hard to move, which is all completely normal. This is what it looked like immediately after, and for some reason I kept having the sensation that I was drooling, but I think it was just because my mouth was so numb. I just came out of the studio and it looks really red and it's so swollen. I can not talk properly, but the artist told me that at least like 50% of the color is going to come out, so it's going to significantly become paler in about like 5 days or so. So I'll check in with you every single day and see. It's very numb. I'm glad she gave me plenty of numbing because I couldn't really feel it at all and it didn't really hurt. I'm just walking home. I feel like it's more purple. I think it's a little getting a bit bruised, which is normal, but we will see how it turns out. So this is day 3 of having my lip tint tattoo, and pretty much all the scabs have fallen off. I'm pretty happy with this color so far, but I'll keep tabs because my artist told me that the ink will keep spreading, like even up to like 6 months, and the color will become more and more natural. So I am excited to see how it goes. So it has been 7 days since I've had the tattoo and I feel like it's healing pretty well. Tiny bit sore, but for the most part, I think I'm back to normal. The thing I like best about getting this lip tattoo is that it looks really natural, but at the same time, I don't have to worry about any lip products coming off my lips. I think the color suits my skin tone well, so I'm happy about that. It's just made my life so much easier already in 1 week. And I wanted to see a comparison side by side of my mock-up color and my final color to see how it fared. And all in all, I think we struck a pretty good balance of the orange and pink that I initially wanted. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you very soon in the next one.